The incident occurred on October 29, 2024, when Florence Tu, a 41-year-old Naperville resident, allegedly attempted to steal over $1,600 worth of merchandise, including tools and home repair items. She reportedly placed more than 50 items into a backpack and shopping cart and tried to exit the store without paying.
I asked for privacy to be able to sort through everything, but I needed her to leave. That you not check the bag.
Alright, I can forego that just as long as you tell me there's nothing from the store in there.
I have to say that there's nothing from this store, yes.
Okay. Sit down.
Sir?
Hi. We're not screaming. This is over with. We'll talk in just a second. When everyone's calm, we'll talk about it.
Right.
Yeah, I've got 2 female agents.
We're bringing the merchandise up.
Okay, what do we got, Dave?
Retail theft. She loaded a cart.
No,
all kinds of merchandise, man.
Sir, I was having problems with her and I needed to get away, but she would not leave. Because I don't want her to leave.
Alright, we'll talk about it in a second. Stop.
She is.
We'll stop.
She is part of it.
1 second, we'll stop. Okay.
If she were not provoking
I
me,
just told you to stop talking.
Right.
You're not in handcuffs right now. Okay?
149,
You're not under arrest right now. But I need to sort this out, and I need to do it with you being calmly and without shouting. You got it?
That's fine.
Thank you.
149,
No, I haven't done anything.
copy detained.
I'm sorry, I was Robert 23 earlier in the day.
That's right, we should get it on. You're 149 today.
So, what happened?
Saw her just make a lot of selections, and then all of a sudden she was grabbing up and she made all the selections she needed to. She grabbed Home Depot buckets and then started loading. And I'm like, then and there I know she's going to just do it personally.
Okay.
And then she was hiding down an aisle.
Younger one or older one?
The older one never touched her thing.
Okay.
Just argued with her.
All right.
They were just fighting a lot in the store. But she knows what she was doing. Nobody was selecting everything they can to put in the buckets.
Okay.
They come in the back of the store just to load the buckets out.
Okay.
And then she took the coat off, took the coat over the stuff.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Give me what you got. And
It's going to take a while.
all right.
I'll go in and check the button.
All right. Sweet. All right. What's your name?
Florence. Or it's Barbara. I'm sorry. Barb.
What do you prefer?
Barb is fine.
Hi, Barb. I'm Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Let's start this over again, okay?
Sure.
Hi, I'm Matt. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Barb, can you tell me what happened?
What's that?
Can you tell me what happened?
I was trying to exit. I was trying to look for something in the store. My
What were you
mother
trying to look
is my
for?
ride, except that she is constantly pestering me. And so it escalated because I wanted to learn more about the tools. And then she wouldn't leave me alone, and I did not have the opportunity to use them.
What stuff were you looking to buy today?
Today, specifically,
Yeah.
I don't even know.
All right. Well, why were you here to?
specifically
I go to Home Depot
electrical tape.
I go to Home Depot all the time, and I always have a very specific reason to come here.
Electrical tape.
So you need electrical tape.
Certainly.
Okay. What else was in your cart that you were planning on buying today?
I could have done with electrical tape. Oh,
What else did you walk out the door
without spackle? No, I think that's almost irrelevant because she is the one
with?
that
Well, Barb, it's
pestered
relevant
me.
to me. So
Oh, that's fine.
What
no,
were
I'm
you taking out of the? What were you bringing with you out of the
So
store?
I came in with spackle and Pop Tops. The Hillman Pop Tops.
Okay, and that's what you came into the store with?
That's what I came into the store
Okay.
for.
What did you come? All right. So you came into the store for spackle and Pop Tops and some electrical tape. And what did you leave with?
I was also looking for toilet paper. Okay. What did I leave with? I left with the education that I could have received at Home Depot.
What product specifically
That
did
was
you
what
walk
was
out the
in
door
the
with?
cart.
What'd you
A
come out
whole
with the
slew
cart
of DeWalt tools, hand tools.
Alright. What were you using those for?
What's that?
What were you going to use the DeWalt
This is a
tools
project that she
for?
stalled.
What's the project?
It's a bathroom renovation.
Okay, so you're doing a bathroom renovation.
No,
And what DeWalt tools did you need for the bathroom renovation?
Right now,
Yeah.
immediately a saw, a hand saw.
Okay, so you needed a handsaw. So that's not a DeWalt tool.
Yes, there are actually quite a number of them.
Well, I mean, you're leaving with hand tools, though. I'm assuming other power tools.
Oh, we don't need. I mean, at present, no.
What'd
Just
you
a
want?
crowbar.
So
But we already have one at home.
So you need a crowbar and a handsaw, but you walked out with other like DeWalt tools.
Yes, because she came in and wouldn't leave me alone, and I can't think.
Okay.
And the thing is, yes,
All right.
I would say this is a. If I had a clearer mind, and it has nothing to do with mental illness or anything, but if I had a clearer mind and not a pestering woman going at me, I could make
1 second.
educated decisions. I could
Stay
make
traffic for 1
clear
moment.
decisions, and now it's just a lot of things.
Yeah, you inside or you in the parking lot?
I have 2 detained in the parking lot. We're on the north side of the lot. I already talked to him. He's just putting together some pictures and stuff.
Okay.
Taking photos, everything, trying to get me a receipt. I'm just getting her side of the story right now. So,
Alright.
that's where we're at.
I'm going to talk to watch the video real quick and put inside. I think the officer should be pulling up. Let's see what I'm
Phone line together.
910. I'm just gonna probably 95 right here in a second. Just finishing the story right now. Okay.
Yes.
So you came out with some spackle, some electrical tape,
I mean, what?
a handsaw,
Yes.
and what else?
Possibly, no, I mean, I would have stuck with, you asked a different question. I would have stuck with probably the pop tops.
Okay. But what else did you come out with?
I can't even begin to tally that.
Alright, just
so.
having trouble remembering.
Of
And
course.
that's okay.
Well, I was just trying to escape her.
All
But
right.
the thing is that
What was she doing that was so bad?
she was following me and she would not leave. I asked for privacy. She should be. I asked for privacy to be able to sort through everything, but I needed her to leave.
Okay.
And she did not. She did not respect that. So then I got upset. And
Which one of these cars is yours?
I'm still bitter about it.
Hey Barb, which car is yours?
Oh, Barb, why don't you... I actually don't even know where it is.
Her mom.
It's not mine.
You don't have a car. So your car's here?
I'm her mother,
Okay.
and I know because for me, she's sick.
Okay.
She bought a lot of things, and I don't want her to waste so much money.
Okay.
So I trace her
Okay.
and ask her not to buy those
Okay.
things.
No, she
it's
did more
not.
than that.
It's because our house is full of things.
I appreciate the mediation.
yeah.
Hey Barb, do you have an ID on you?
No, I'm sorry. I
You don't have any form of ID on you?
No, I'm sorry. No, I don't because no,
If you don't, you don't.
I don't even have. No, I don't have
Not a big
accurate
deal.
ID.
What's your legal name?
Florence Barber.
Florence Barber.
I mean, I would say
F-O-R-E-N-C-E.
Barb is fine. Yes.
What's it say on your ID?
Huh?
What does your ID say? Your
I'm
name
saying
is?
my ID is not current, so I can't tell you.
Florence T-W-U.
No, that's her name, not mine.
the last
That's
name.
her name, not mine.
No,
I'm just
That
trying
is
to.
her name,
Guys,
it's not mine.
Hey, Barb.
That is her name,
Barb,
not
what does it
mine.
actually say on your license? What-
Florence T-T-W-U.
Florence T.
T-O-O, 2. Just 2. The number is fine.
T-W-U.
The number is...
That's our last
Well,
name.
I'm going to listen to her, okay? So, Florence. Barb. Florence.
Yeah.
T-O-O. And then the last name?
Thanks. That's the last name.
T-O-O is the last name?
Yeah.
T-W-U.
No, that is her name, not my name.
Okay. I'll. You ever been arrested before?
Not under this name, no.
But you
As
you
his
have.
identity, no.
Okay. Do you have anything in the bag that would have been proceeds from inside?
That would have been the first thing I did. Certainly, however, this is not.
This is real quick. Do you have stuff from inside the store in your bag?
Alright.
Alright. Steal anything from Whole Foods?
No.
It's okay if you're checking here for things from inside the store?
No, I would prefer that this is the entire problem. It's a privacy issue. I would prefer that you not check the bag.
Alright, I could forego that just as long as you tell me there's nothing from the store in there.
I have to say that there's nothing from this store, yes.
Okay. Hold on to that for a second. Is this your coffee mug?
What's that?
Is this your coffee mug? I'm just going to hand this to this officer real quick, okay? You know how to stand up, or?
Be careful with the coffee mug. Yes, sir.
Alright. Go ahead, put your arms behind your back. You're under arrest right now. I need your hands behind your back.
I'll grab this coat from you. Let me grab this from you.
Oh,
Go ahead, Michael.
I'll put everything together for you.
22, bud.
That's fine.
000.
Yeah.
96852699.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, perfect. Alright, Barb, we're going to go over this way, okay? We're on the other side.
Okay, 31 wants to open key for me.
Just hang out right here for a second.
Yeah, good stuff. Sorry, was it female 95?
Have a seat. Watch your head as you get in, okay?
Thanks.
Sorry, I'm unreadable.
I'm just going to grab the seat belt right here.
10-4, one female 95. Copy 2030. There's no 61 disorders. Copy.
Daniela. She messed with me up again. I have to edit the name.
Okay.
Thanks.